We're in a car. Oh, please don't tell me somebody's gonna go wide into us. Nobody else, nobody else, nobody else, nobody else, nobody else. And here it is. Remember when I say like going around corners and like you make a mistake, you low side or whatever, like in the mountains, and it's like you got lucky because nobody was there. You got lucky because there was a runoff and he didn't fall off the cliff. He got lucky because there could have been oncoming traffic. This right here is exactly what I'm talking about. Stop riding in the mountains like idiots and treating it like a track, because if you fail and you mess up, there could be a car. On a track, there isn't. We're about to watch something with the track. So this right here is a great example of stop riding like idiots in corners and racing with your friends, because you're going to hit a car if you make a mistake. Now we're on a track. Same thing. Goes a little wide. Where's the car? Where's the car? No car. Big runoff. Comfy grass. Full gear. I don't care. Like this right here pisses me off. This right here, yeah, made a mistake. You're doing it in a closed environment. You're doing it for practice of your skill set in the safest environment you possibly can to do high-speed maneuvers on a motorcycle. You're practicing your skill set here, same thing, but you're doing it in the most risky area possible. This is free. This is not free. I get that right there is what causes people to go here versus here. I get that there's not many tracks out in the world, so people do it here and not here. I get that. So if you can't go to a track, you can't afford a track, guys, at least have your fun on a motorcycle and do slow speed maneuvers in a parking lot. Race each other. Beat my time. My time is on the bottom. Right there. My time. Beat my time. Upload it to YouTube. Call me out. Call me a loser or whatever it is because you beat my time by 1/10 of a second. I don't care. Do it. Have fun in a closed environment.